Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed a Commbank bank statement urgently, but couldn't figure out how to get it? It's a common dilemma, and it can be frustrating. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your Commbank bank statement, no matter what method works best for you. Commbank, or Commonwealth Bank, is one of Australia's largest banks, serving millions of customers across the country. Whether you're applying for a loan, tracking your expenses, or simply need a record of your financial transactions, having access to your bank statement is essential. Method 1. Online banking. The easiest and most convenient way to get your Commbank bank statement is through online banking. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Commbank online banking account. Enter your username and password. Navigate to the Statements or Statements section. This is usually found in the Accounts or Transactions tab. Select the account you want to view a statement for. Choose the date range for the statement. You can typically select daily, weekly, monthly, or a custom range. Click View Statement or a similar button. Your statement will be displayed on the screen. Download or print the statement. If you need a physical copy, you can print it directly from your computer or save it as a PDF and print it later. Additional tips for online banking. Set up automatic email delivery. Many banks allow you to set up automatic email delivery of your statements, so you'll always have a digital copy on hand. Check your statement regularly. It's a good practice to review your bank statement regularly to ensure that all transactions are accurate and there are no unauthorized charges. Method 2. Commbank app. If you prefer using the Commbank app, you can follow a similar process to get your bank statement. Open the Commbank app on your smartphone. Log into your account. Tap on the Accounts or Transactions tab. Select the account you want to view a statement for. Choose the date range for the statement. Tap View Statement or a similar button. Your statement will be displayed on your phone. Download or print the statement. You can typically download the statement as a PDF and print it later. Method 3. Bank branch. If you don't have access to online banking or the Commbank app, you can visit a bank branch to request a bank statement. Find your nearest Commbank branch. You can use the bank's website or app to locate a branch near you. Bring your identification. You'll need to provide proof of identity, such as a driver's license or passport. Request a bank statement. Inform the bank teller that you need a statement for your account. Specify the date range for the statement. Wait for the statement to be printed. The bank teller will typically provide you with a printed copy of your statement. Additional tips for visiting a bank branch. Check branch hours. Make sure to check the branch's opening hours before visiting to avoid disappointment. Consider peak times. Avoid visiting during peak hours, such as lunchtime or early mornings, as there may be longer wait times. Be prepared with your account details. Having your account number and other relevant information ready can speed up the process. Getting a Commbank bank statement is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. Whether you prefer online banking, the Commbank app, or visiting a branch, there's a method that suits your needs. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be able to access your bank statement whenever you need it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.